Recording.
Yeah, started. Go ahead.
All right. Welcome, everybody. I hope we have some new faces here. Thank you, people, for showing up. Those who haven't turned their videos on, please, I request you to turn your videos on. Thank you, Geeta. Thank you, Anjali. I like it. I like it. Okay. Welcome, all of you, to this Friday date between me and Aradhana and all of you. Today, our topic is death, a choice. And I'm Shivangi from Be the Change by Aradhana team. And I have with me Aradhana Tiwari, our facilitator. I have said it in one of the podcasts that she's a life coach and she's also a death coach, just in case anybody wants to choose that. So here we so if
I'm
any of
speechless.
you
I'm speechless to that.
if any, if any of you on this platform is here to like choose death or to kill any aspect of them, like Poonam said. Poonam has already given out the spoiler. I guess this is the time. Let's just let go of all the dead energies that we have um in us, around us. Like, I mean, let's just let go of all of that, and from that space we'll begin this conversation. And I would really like that all of you please participate with your questions, engage with us here. I mean, this is a topic that also came up because there's certainly this kind of energy that's going around in the world, and more in our country. I mean, more in India at the moment than, I mean, I can't say about other countries. Like Australia has 0 cases, so what would it take for us to reach there? What would it take for us to duplicate that energy? So considering the contextual reality, we have really picked up on this topic, and I've always been fascinated by this topic, and Aradhana always talks about it in a way that is supremely light. So thank you so much, Aradhana, for this. And let's begin.
Yes,
Let's start.
can I start today?
Of course,
So, Shivangi,
please.
you chose this topic. How was the week for you? My first question to you, please.
The week was the week. She had already put it in my head that she's going to do this to me. Okay, so the week was actually full of transformation. A lot of people that I have known have passed away, have chosen death. And I have shared it in one of the groups. If any of you is not part of that group acknowledgement series that we are doing, the acknowledgement challenge, and I acknowledge that how I've had about like I've had straight of 48 hours where I just was crying. My body was just exhausted, and I could not stop my tears. I could not figure out why it was going on the way it was going on. I've had like a traumatized week, some bits of it, and some bits of it were very, very transformational for me, as I could see that my awareness was also expanding like 360 degrees. So one of the things that I noticed was, like, I had these 48 hours of crying, and then the next day I get to know that one of my aunt passed away. Then the next day I get to know that my uncle passed away. Then the next day I get to know that my mom's friend's husband passed away. It's every day there has been a news of one or two deaths in the entire week. And I guess it's similar for Aradhana, as she's shared in one of our classes. So this week has been uh, something that I've never experienced before. Um, it has been very transformational in a way that uh, I had always sort of asked for it, that I'd like to go and live in a conflict zone, in a zone where there is war. And I was listening to Shannon and Dane's this podcast also, where Shannon spoke about how this is exactly like a war zone. I mean, I felt like I asked for it and I got it. I am in a conflict zone.
Is it the third world war? We're gonna write differently. So, things never seem the way we think they're gonna seem. So yeah, so I'm sure, like, I know we all are going, and every second person on this call is probably facing that. And yet we are holding strong. And I'm very grateful to each one of you holding very strong and being here and counting our blessings. So I was just talking to somebody just before this call, and I think the closest friend is right now battling with all this. So I'm wondering, and I'm like, the intensity is so high right now, but yet that allowance of it, like choosing, and I'm continuously been telling her that, hey, choose different, choose different. I know you'll choose it. And I have seen like you, Shivangi, been through it personally very well this week, and how much we knew that this is showing up in our worlds, and we've called for it. Yet, I would really, really want to ask, because I know I've shared my stuff a lot many times. What do you know? Like, how did you go through it, and what are all the emotions that you played with, and how did you overcome them and scum them to like and outcreated them today? I just wanted you to tell them.
Guys, the tables have turned. It's so interesting to be in this spot. I'm short of words. How do you talk? How do you respond to my questions, Aradhana?
As you would now. Don't worry.
So how did I go through it? Honestly, in the beginning, I did fight it a lot. I was like, I have got all the tools of access. Like considering that I'm superior in terms of, talking consciousness and believing in consciousness and being this facilitator of consciousness. And, if there has to be a person in my house at this moment who can deal with it, should be me, you know? Like I should totally be okay and normal and, like be like completely fine with it, whereas that wasn't the case. My body has been constantly giving me information about all the insanity that's going around in the world. Though we have spoken about death so many times, we have spoken about devolved being so many times, yet to experience it was a whole new thing for me. And so there was this day when I was really going through a lot of funk, and that day I fought with my partner also. Like I was ready to crush my whole world. I was ready to destroy every nurturing relationship that I have. I was ready to quit working with you, Aradhana, which I did not share. I was ready
You would have
to.
not been sitting, you would have been killed anywhere. So don't worry about that.
So I was ready for it all, and like in the sense that all those thoughts had already come to me. And I'd like to be really vulnerable here and share that I got a news about this friend who's been practicing access for many, many years, and she was battling. And I was like, if an access facilitator is battling with something like this, who am I? Who the fuck am I? Like, I think I've gone past all the stages of depression and misery and anxiety. And here I hear this news, and my world was shattered. I was like, I'm going to go under depression today, right in this moment. And I went, I touched it. I went there. I went for a walk. I went for a walk, 2 hours of walk, because I could not face anyone. I was like, if somebody comes in front of me, I'm going to kill that person. I went for a walk, and when I came back, I attended one of Aradhana's classes, and I was not showing up. And Aradhana's like, you got to show up, Shivangi. Please come on the screen. And I'm like, no, no. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. And like I'm going in that loop and that story. Okay, that is not working out. This is not working out. I'm destroying this also. I'm destroying that also. And it's just constantly going and going. And Aradhana is like, this is where you got to stop. You've got to stop here, Shivangi. You are morphing yourself into other people's world. You're morphing yourself into misery. You're morphing yourself and making yourself small just because you're not willing to receive that awareness. And the next day, again, I had similar things came up for me. And then I was like, I give up. I just said this to myself. I give up. I have no to-do lists. I'm accountable to nobody. I have no relationships. Now what? Now what am I going to choose? And trust me on this when I say that the moment I gave up, the moment I said I give up, everything suddenly started taking shape. My friends started calling me, checking on me how I am. Suddenly I got this idea of doing a book club. And I'm like, like when I chose to kill myself is when everything came alive. That's how it showed up for me, really.
Wow. Isn't that so amazing, guys? It's just a choice. And I just wanted her to share this because I just wanted to acknowledge that, that the moment she was going through that, and that was my really earnest request. And right now, also, whosoever I'm working on continuously, I am only sending that choice in everybody's world. I mean, I had given that choice in my time where there was no COVID, nothing in my personal life with my family. And I was very strong. I was like, hey guys, I'm not gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss you, do things, but my life is not gonna stop. Here everybody else is, and I'm like, hey, it's not gonna stop. And when Shivangi was going through that moment, and the moment she showed up, and I'm like, whose world are you in? And the moment she mentioned, and I'm like, you're just aware, you're so aware, your capacities are so high that you are in her world. And that is what she's going. Now, when you know what she's going through, you can change it. You have the capacity to change it. If you come to her level, how you're going to change it? So, guys, when you're hearing news, what can you change about it? Like, I'm hearing news continuously as a facilitator, as a friend, as a healing friend. People think me as I'm a healing friend, and I'm like always like, hey, I can't heal anybody. Like this morning, I was talking to one of my friends who was hospitalized for quite a bit of time, and today's report had to come, and he said, he says, hope it comes negative, and I'm really dying to meet my family. I said, don't die, one. And the second is, it's okay. As long as you're out of it, you'll be there. And he was so frustrated by the evening. He says, you are the magic. What happened to your magic? Blah, blah, blah. I said, I'm not the magic. Magic is you. You have to receive it. And can you be grateful? You made this choice. Have an acknowledgement that you made it so far. You're there. You're alive. Maybe the report will come in 10 days, 5 days. As long as you're sitting in a room, can you acknowledge that? How many people are cribbing, staying in the rooms? Oh, I'm stuck up. I'm in the room. I'm dying. Excuse me, you're dying anyways. So rather than dying at that moment and crying about the thing, what if you start celebrating you? That is what the vibe is required. And there are very few, trust me, there are very few people who are going to be choosing this to live. And it requires courage to live. It's very easy to die. Die is a very simple choice. So,
Yeah, and I'd like to mention that very clearly, like some of the acknowledgements that it's exactly this that Aradhana had shared with me, that Shivangi, now dying is very easy. Like you can choose it and you can have it in the next 10 seconds, really. So you've got to be very clear of what you're asking. One is that, and the other thing is when you are aware of other people's funk, when you are aware of all this dead energy in the country, one is to feel one is to be at the effect of your own awareness, that why the hell am I even so aware? Yeah, like I don't want to know so much of information. But the other thing is that the reason that you can be so aware is also your potency to be able to change it, that you can go to that level and you can change and shift those molecules even for other people from distance.
yeah. And the question here comes how, right? Everybody's word is how. How do I do that? Kaise? Kya karenge hum? How to choose it? Just choosing every 10 seconds as a choice of laughing and happy and joyful. That is what you have to. You do not. You have forgotten to be happy and joyful. Even if you're breathing your last breath, can you go joyfully? I mean, are you choosing to go joyfully? It's that simple. You just have to say and ask in your world. Okay, now whatever you're waiting. You're waiting because you don't want to be still judged. You still want to be seen nice. You still want to be seen good. Whatever your world wants. Whatever you want to do, but you're still judging it. that this is not right according to the society. This is not right according to my family. This is not right because of so and so. I'm not a good man or a good woman. I'm not a, I should not do this, should not, must not. How many shoulds and must can you give up for once forever? There is no time left, guys. I wonder how I explain this, but I'm literally energetically putting in your heads there is no time. There isn't a time. It's just like here, it's like it's manifesting like this now. So what are you manifesting? At any given point of time, anything that takes your joy, ask who does it belong to. If you're in anybody's universe, with your friends, your stuff, just take yourself out and become. Are you willing to become greater? All the point of views you have that you can't be greater than anybody. अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? भगवान हो? हाँ हूँ भगवान, बन जाओ. अगर 10 मिनट के लिए मरने से पहले भगवान भी बन जाओगे तो what's the problem? सारा जिंदगी भगवान नहीं बना. What if now you be the भगवान of your life? Are you willing to do that? चलो कोई बात नहीं, ऊपर जाके देख लेना भगवान नाराज है कि नहीं. मर तो तुम वैसे ही रहो, right? So how about choosing something different, guys? Just make a choice to be joyful every 10 seconds, every 10. Check with yourself, are you joyful? So, like right now, as I said, the most dearest friend of mine is fucking battling right now. And I'm like, I've just continuously into her head. I, I would let you go. It's your choice. And either today, claim it and own it. Nothing takes you away. And I can do so much. Calls from people, and I won't say one is better friend than the other. For me, everybody's same, and I would like to be for everyone. The only thing I'm doing is I'm sitting and filling their worlds with consciousness, with joy, and I'm like, there is a possibility of joy and consciousness. No is bigger. No demon is bigger than you. So what choice can you make today? And you want to choose death? It's not a wrong. And people who are choosing, please don't sob around it. I get it's a person, and you've gonna miss that physical presence. Yes, please cry if you want to cry. Don't stop yourself. Like how Shivangi said, I should be a facilitator. I am this, I am that. Hello. Consciousness does not know it's an access facilitator or it's a Isha Foundation facilitator or who's facilitator. You are you. And it is you who has to watch you and see you. There is no other being outside you.
One more thing that I wanted to sort of bring in. Is there someone else talking?
Yeah, I wanted to ask
Please go
something
ahead.
here. There's almost a feeling of guilt around, being okay at this time.
Yeah.
I don't know how to put it.
I know.
But
I know
with
how to
so
put it.
much.
Give me 40,000, I'll tell you.
Feeling guilty for being happy.
And giving me
Feeling
40,000.
guilty for just being there, to the extent that I'm one of those social media people. I've stopped putting anything because I'm feeling totally guilty with what is happening around me.
Do you have a hunter at your home?
Helpless.
Do you have a hunter at your home? Why don't you start beating yourself? Why don't you go die with them?
Oh God.
Go.
It's like again going into a hiding that, it's
not working. That's what I'm really, really pleading each one of you guys. Is that an invitation for anybody to live? Anjali? I would not like to get you and live. I mean, and if I see I'm dying, yeah, basically I have to hide and die. So might as well I die like this.
But it's an uneasy emotion to deal with right now.
Yeah.
It's coming it's coming from inside. It's not even imposed. It's coming from what we are seeing around.
Is it easier than dying or difficult than dying? What would you choose? Right now, if I keep your death in front of you or not to post your joy on the social media, what would you choose? Choose, brother. This is called choice. What if you being laughing, somebody seeing you smiling and laughing and joyful gives an invitation to them, hey, there is a possibility. If you keep now full of the social media with the sadness, what are you going to invite them? Everybody's always, I have always been very against with this. That's my interesting point of view. I have always loved social media. I am so in gratitude because it gives me joy. It gives me a pleasure to live. It gives me possibilities to see that, hey, people in the world seem, whether they're faking or whatever, what I am seeing is what I want to see. I'm like, okay, in this moment, like I remember when I was going through my tough time, and I've been through with 10 years with nothing that has not Nothing that I've not seen. So I don't have any example that you will give me and I won't have it with me. Yet I never gave up because this social media was the one which saved me. I used to keep watching Facebook. I used to keep watching WhatsApp. I used to keep watching the Instagram. I'm like, okay, there's life to it. There's life. I haven't done this. I haven't done this. I haven't done this. This shall do pass and I will do this. This shall do pass and I will do that. It's how you want to see it. So what is it that you want to see, Ankur?
So what one is seeing right now is not a normal scenario.
Yeah. So
Even if we talk about social media, there is so much of, what's happening with people that it seems like one is being insensitive.
yeah, insensitive. And then when you stop putting your post, so what are you asking for? More cry stories on that? So are you participating in it? Just a choice. I'm not forcing you to do it. I will not stop. I was jumping when I had COVID also.
I mean, we all witnessed that.
Right? So I will not give up. Even if I was doing when I was in the hospital too.
Yeah.
I will not give up. Even if I'm dying, I will say bye from there. Don't worry. But I'm not gonna give up. It's my choice. What are you choosing? What are you want? I mean, is that making you really happy, Anjali, at all? Then truth.
No, it's
Right.
claustrophobic.
And then who's killing you? Is there a demon outside you who's killing you? Is that now you will name it as COVID? You're inviting COVID to your life for what value? This is how we invite, and thanks for being vulnerable, Anjali. And I'm sorry for being my intensity. I'm being right now, but this is what you're doing, guys.
I was amazed that you guys picked up this topic, and I was telling Shivangi that, under these circumstances, it's very brave of you guys to pick up this topic. That death is a choice because it's happening everywhere. It's happening in our own family, our own friend circle. And how much ever we say it's a choice, it's difficult to just
give up that point of view now.
Deal with it.
Give up this point of view now. It is difficult to deal. This is what is the reality you're creating in your world, Anjali.
Thank you, Aradhana. Thank you for saying that. Yeah.
Choose different right now. And it's like, hey, this is fun and I will change everybody. And can you now flow rather than contracting into your world that they're going, what you fill up your world, and I'm doing that in every day Insta. Every day I'm telling guys, fill up with consciousness. Fill your world, interesting choice. They're making interesting point of view. Keep filling up with consciousness. When would you use it? Why are you wasting your money on access classes or any other class instead? When it is not about attending zillion classes, it's about being that energy. And you don't have to do anything as an infinite being. You really don't have to do it. You have to just be it. And when would you be it? I'm really begging each one of you here today, guys, whoever is on this call or is listening now or later. What if you actually choose to be joyful? That is what you are born as. Be that invitation, fill up your worlds with consciousness. Keep asking for consciousness to support you. Ask universe, it is there. And whosoever still choosing is not a wrong choice. It's just a choice. When I lost my husband, and I till date talk to him, and I'm laughing all the time with him. I was like, "Chalu kahega." I said, "But good, I still am happy. I'm happy to be here." And another friend of me just called up, and she was panting, and she was like, she just lost her father. Her whole family's into it, and she said, "I need to talk to somebody." I said, "Yeah, call me up right away." And she was like, and she herself is a big healer, and she's like, "My world is cranking, and right now I'm panicked." I said, "Stop, first relax." And I said, "If you're panicked, go die now." And she laughed and laughed and laughed. I said, "See, but nobody's asking whosoever gone, and so much can you do. So that is what is going to happen after death. That's what you see. So what if you can make the most here, and you can end up the party anytime you choose to. With the panic, you're only going to lose it. The antidote of it is joy. कब करोगे यार? कब खुश होके जाओगे? कभी भी तो नहीं खुश होते हो.
Aradhana.
Yeah.
But the whole the whole joy was associated with this person, right? My sister, she was totally, they both were like two bodies and one soul. Everything they did together, from
Hmm.
having the cup of tea to exercising, to everything, each and everything. I've never seen a couple like that. So after he's gone, it's been a month. She's working on it. She's working on it, but only crying, crying, crying. She's only going on missing him. How much ever she's crying, but there's so much of anxiety, pain.
Be an allowance of a crying. Why crying?
I'm an allowance. I tell her, it's okay, you're crying, it's okay, totally fine. Be vulnerable, cry it out, it's okay. But she's like, but the pain doesn't seem to go. I just want that pain
Just
to
a
go.
choice. You see, you're not an allowance. There you go. I was
No,
about
I'm an allowance. She's saying, I want the pain to go, but the pain is not going.
if she wants the pain to go, it'll go in a minute.
Okay.
Just a choice.
Is there anything that I could, like, guide her? I told her to attend this call, but she's just too new to all this. So
Allowance, just an allowance.
okay.
If somebody is crying, be around them and let them cry. Never stop it.
Yeah, I've been doing that for her. Being that energy for her.
Bring that energy, and it's okay. It's okay to cry. I've been crying. I did cry. I did everything. What's the harm if the body is missing, everything is missing? We did live together. We did have the most beautiful relationship ever in my life. But yeah, then it's okay. एक बंदा पार्टी से पहले चला जाता है, एक बाद में जाता है. It's okay. We can't go together. This is also Indian movies, na? We have to die together. This is not gonna happen. I anyways was not ready to go. So he went, so it's okay.
Yeah.
I have many more boyfriends to follow yet. Why should I go now? Everything that brings up fucking for that.
Fine.
About
fine.
this underlying fear and anxiety, which has become more like a collective anxiety, is what I feel. That
Yeah.
every time we're talking to people or we're watching the news, it seems like it's in the air now.
And how can we change it, darling? By contracting or by expanding? Is my question to you, darling.
Expanding,
You won't do that.
finding it difficult to do that.
Again.
So, Aradhana, I want to say something. Adding to
Sumit, एक minute.
yeah.
Anjali, आज तो गई. Are we giving up the point of view or are we killing people like with your point of view? What is difficult in it? Let me know it. What is difficult? Okay, let's go to that. What is difficult?
It's so different to be that way.
Yeah.
That's the difficult part. That it's different to be that way.
What is the difference? What is the difference? You'll be judged?
No, it's like everything is collapsing.
Oh, okay. Then what is the difficulty in it? I want to know your difficulty right now.
The underlying fear around it.
Okay, what is fear?
That it's taking away too much from people.
They don't have a choice, you mean?
Sometimes I find it very difficult to understand why would a 23-year-old, a 20-year-old, a 1-year-old make this kind of a choice?
Just because they can? Why would you make any choice which nobody likes and then be like, why will Anjali make this choice? And when you're trying to understand, this is what we do. We go under them and then we kill ourselves. And then you're like, when did I make that choice? So what is the difficulty? Again, I'll ask you the same question. I will not give up today. I know I know I'm using as you as the one of the things, and thanks for being that vulnerable. But that's what we all are doing. What is the difficulty there?
Things are out of control.
Okay.
Nobody has a solution, including me. I don't think there is a solution. It's just that we are living it one day at a time. The routines are abrupt. The extended family is going on ventilator.
One day at a time, can you be in the moment?
Being in the moment is so overwhelming with not much happening around.
Okay.
And even when we are talking to friends, right?
Stop.
Even if we are
Stop.
talking.
Stop. Who's making this choice now? In moment में कुछ हो नहीं रहा, एकदम blank हो जाते हैं. Everything is peaceful. No. I have to do something. I'm not an allowance of what's going on. I have to do something. And you're trying to control. And why you're frustrated, all of you, is because you're totally getting out of control.
And Aradhana, here I'd like to say something.
Yeah.
Can I?
Please.
This out of control thing, I guess, like, this whole second wave of COVID especially has been teaching us like constantly that anyways there is nothing under your control. You think that having a healthy lifestyle, eating the right kind of food will keep you safe. People around me who passed away are also people who were pretty like good eaters, okay? The other thing is, you think that having all the money, having assets will bring you security. People who are moneyed are also not getting beds, oxygen beds and all of that. Like how else do and when
Total
will
out of
we when will we really understand that everything is anyways out of control?
But it is difficult, no, Anjali? This much we can do to change your point of view, but it is so, when it is so difficult for you to give one point of view, and you are asking the whole universe, the whole system to change easily, Anjali? Would you like to change that? See how much effort, whole call is going on to take you to fucking change it. I'm on it, and you're not.
I asked for it. I
You
asked
cannot
for help
give it.
somewhere.
Fight the whole call for this, but you will still not give up. But it is difficult.
I will.
When?
I will.
When is my question.
By end of this call.
When somebody convinces me.
This is it. This is it. People will not choose to live. वो क्या कहते हैं उसमें law में I give up my case or what?
I rest my
case.
I rest my
Yes,
case.
Anjali,
I
you are
rest my case.
Yeah, I rest my case to you, darling. Here I go. Yes, Sumit, what you wanted to say?
Radha, hearing adjourned.
Yes, Sumit, go.
Yeah, I was just thinking that in the foundation class, we learned that, what is heavy for you is a lie.
Mhm.
So up until last 5 days back, I was like, yeah, COVID is a lie. It's not true for me. Who does it belong to? It's not true for me. It's not true for me. It's not true for me. The entire human race has bought it as a reality and gobbled it up.
Yeah.
And I'm still believing that when I say it's not true for me, I feel light. And when I say only in the last 5 days, I also came down with a viral fever, with a slight fever, and then I became okay. So I'm saying to जो लोग अभी question कर रहे हैं कि why would anybody choose? So do you think if because they made it solid and real, that's why they died?
What was Anjali choosing, Abhi? What was Anjali choosing, Abhi? Not to change your point of view. It is not how the things will show.
Yeah.
Just ask me, why are people choosing Corona? It's not people are choosing Corona. People are any which was willing to die. In their world, so much going on in their personal lives, the judgments, the contraction, the irritation, which has turned, and Corona is beautifully helping them to go, making it easy for them to go. It's a beautiful gift right now. How much did I fight with Anjali? She hasn't yet given. She said, by the end of the call, I'll think to give up that point of view. This is called no changing. We will rather die rather than feeling bad about it. कुछ नहीं है कमरे में बैठ के. But we are just feeling bad, cranky about it, upset about it. And we're only, what are we creating? Same energy. Thinking of Australia, thinking of the places where there's no single cases and inviting energies and from the planet, from the animals, from the earth, fucking do it now. Come on, bring that, ask that energies, be joyful, ask for that joy in your words. What is it creating? You are equally responsible for killing people. With your cry stories, with your cranky stories, with hum afsos kar rahe hain baith ke. What are we changing, guys? Wake up. Every point of view of yours is creating a reality which is killing people. And you also are killing your loved ones. If you just...
Can I share something here?
Yeah, Poonam, go ahead. Sorry.
So one of my friend just lost her husband, like 5 days back. And 2 days back, I had a word with her. And the first thing that I asked, Nali, khana khaya? And, अब क्या कर रही है? TV देख रही है या क्या कर रही है? And because she has also chosen access with me, so she knows that what am I talking about. So she's like, तू बस अभी की बात कर रही है, आगे की कल की बात नहीं कर रही है. देख, मैंने कहा कल तो निकल गया, आने वाला जब आना है तब आ जाएगा. आज के 24 आवर्स में तू 24 आवर्स भी बहुत लंबा ड्यूरेशन है, मतलब नेक्स्ट 10
Every
मिनट्स.
moment. Yeah.
हाँ, लिव एवरी मोमेंट. मतलब अभी तेरे को टमी में भूख लग रही है तो खाना खा, और अगर नींद आ रही है तो सो जा, और अगर रोने की इच्छा हो रही है तो रो ले. मतलब क्यों उस पेन को इतना फोर्स ही करना. बिकॉज शी वाज टॉकिंग टू मी अबाउट द रिज्यूमे बिल्डिंग. शी वाज लाइक, क्या तू मुझे रिज्यूमे बिल्ड करके दे देगी? एंड आई वाज लाइक, कितने दिन हुए? तो बोलती 5 दिन. मैंने कहा अरे बहुत जल्दी है यार तेरे को अपने आप को बिल्डअप करने की. बोले नहीं यार, अब बच्चों के लिए तो करना ही पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा हाँ हाँ तो ठीक है, फिर एक काम कर, अभी जस्ट 50 जगह फोन लगा और बोल कि मेरा पति 5 दिन पहले मरा है, मुझे अभी नौकरी दो. इससे ज्यादा सिंपैथी लूटने का तुझे मौका और कब मिलेगा? एंड शी इज लाइक, क्या मैं सिंपैथी लूट रही हूँ? मैंने कहा योर चॉइस, तो अभी क्या लूट रही है और क्या नहीं. बोले नहीं यार, मैं अभी बच्चों को टाइम देना चाहती हूँ. तो मैंने कहा फिर रिज्यूमे और बच्चे तो एक साथ नहीं फिट होते ना.
Interesting.
So she gave up on resume. And like, what the only space that I want to share it from that ki us pure 40-45 minutes ki duration mein, there were some spells wherein she laughed, wherein she cried, wherein she expressed, wherein she chose different to help her body be at ease for the while, not thinking about the future, that what will it create for her.
There is no
And
future, guys. There isn't any future. What
yeah, and
future?
that was so easy.
Yeah.
Like अभी जब अंजलि was speaking कि बहुत difficult है, बहुत difficult है. So I was just, I'm just sharing this experience here कि difficulty कहाँ होती है. जब अभी जैसे आपने बोला ना कि silence is lying in this moment. इस moment में कुछ भी difficult नहीं है. Beyond this, everything seems difficult.
The moment you are fearful, the moment you're in a stress, you are in the future, and future will never come, guys. You all will be in present. I have been living for 2 years almost. There is never a future that has come in. I'm choosing every moment, living every moment, and it's just changing and shifting everything.
We have a question from Vijaya Hinduja.
Why people choose Corona? They don't choose Corona. Corona is coming as a gift to them because they're choosing to go, because they're like, we're done with it. It's like Corona, that's what I just said. It's a beautiful gift that's coming to people and taking them with ease. It's
So,
like how I was talking.
Question is, nobody chooses to have Corona. Then why do they get it?
Things never show up the way you think they should. They're gonna show up, Sonali anyways and Vijay anyways. Right? It is not about choosing. हमने बैठ के Corona थोड़ा ना choose किया था. अरे कोई death थोड़ा ना choose करता है बैठ के.
आया क्यों फिर?
आया because उसको planet is done. Planet has no point of view. Earth has no point of view. It is the collective consciousness that requires change right now, and that is when I'm screaming. Guys, change it. Don't socho. Don't get into it. क्यों आया, कैसे आया, कहाँ आया? What can you do now? It's like examination में जब आप exam देकर आते थे, the sheet has already gone with the teacher and you're coming out and discussing, and I used to look at kids, what the hell are they doing? Teacher is not going to give me the paper back and correct my answers right now. So look for the solution now. It is here. Why? Kyun aaya? Kyun aaya? Why are you getting into the concentric cycles? What will that lead to, Vijay? Kyun aaya ka kya matlab hai?
नहीं, because we are saying it is our choice and we have not chosen, and somebody gets it. So why?
It is not the things you've chosen show up exactly the same way. If you've chosen for money, doesn't mean it will show up in the cash or checks. It might show up as a gift, as a dinner. It might show up somebody taking you for a trip. Do you ask that time? क्यों मुझे डिनर खिला रहे हो फ्री का? क्यों दे रहे हो गिफ्ट फ्री का? ये भी फ्री का गिफ्ट है यूनिवर्स की तरफ से, ले लो. People who want to die, it's like, it's a gift. Right? So stop getting into why, guys. Get into action. What can I every day ask this question? What can I be and do to change it? What vibration can I vibrate at to change this? Ask for the universe from this gift and change it. You are all magical beings. We all have magic in us. You don't have to be a facilitator. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to be a public orator or speaker like anybody. You just have to be you, the magic that you be. चाहे तुम हंसते हो, चाहे तुम खाना बनाते हो, चाहे तुम पोछा मारते हो, whatever you do, that is your gift. You're just, just intentionally asking, how we have always said prayers work. Your intention of that genuine intention of the congruency inside out of asking for this to change will change. One step at a time, it'll change. And start acknowledging people who survived, who are living, who are happy. Think about them and be grateful and I'm in gratitude the whole day. At the same time, I'm allowing people to go and saying goodbye and waving goodbye, even if they're my dearest ones. And at the same time, I'm very grateful for people who are making a different choice to go hand in hand further. It's just so beautiful. So please be in the space of gratitude. Please be in space of consciousness and trust. Like how I always had this thing when I was delivering my baby. I heard that Hema Malini was the first one who really treated her, wanted to go with everything with the smile, even the pains and everything. I said, oh, I'll be like that. She's like, she wanted to welcome the baby with that joy. And that was so beautiful for me to hear it. I was like, I'll have that way. And I actually went so beautifully, though I didn't have to go, I had to go through cesarean, but I actually went with the total joy of it. And I was so happy to receive my baby. And I always so acknowledging him to be now in the world. So it's also like acknowledging everything with so much of gratitude, joy, abundance that it just keeps creating for you. So what if you welcome every moment with that joy? What can you change? And people who are being in thank you to them, people who are choosing to say thank you to them, and yourself grateful that you're surviving, you're thriving, and you have the capacity to change. Yeah, I know. Sorry for the intensity of being. Guys, at times I have this Mata Roop.
Radha, please don't be sorry. Please don't be sorry for being you.
Yeah.
Maybe she can be as sorry as she wants to be.
I know, I love it. Yeah. Any other
So
questions?
I have a question here.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So I was asking the same question before we started, right?
Yeah.
So now we are creators and we are doing whatever we can, being positive, trying to choose. So we are potent creators.
Can I stop you? I can't get you on. Before you put your question, you said you're trying to be positive. You're trying to be happy. Guys, whenever we are trying, we're never doing anything to be it. So all your efforts are already zero, and now you can go further.
Okay. So we are being happy and we are being creators. And of course, we are potent beings. Now, I think in a family of 4 people, right? So there are 3 other beings who are also equally potent and equally they are also creating. But it's like a tug of war. It's a very unfair matchup where it's like a 3 against 1. How does one go around that?
There are no others, as I always say. And it is you. You choose your reality. What would you like to have your reality? Don't concentrate on what are they choosing. If you will choose in your reality, everybody will be healthy. Everybody is this. It's not going to healthy, can leave the world. It is your creation. So I'll give you, like, if you the producer of the movie or the director of the movie, you will choose the artist. You will choose every action that is taken by the artist. What the villain would do, what the side actors would do, what the actor would do, what the heroine would do, right?
Okay.
It's your movie. So this is your movie. What would you like to choose in your movie?
Okay. Another question. Now, death for me is a topic which I have kind of seen or come to face with in a really, young age. Maybe I was about 6 or 7 then. I also remember This is something which is really personal, but I'll say
Just
it
a
anyway.
moment.
Harshi
Just a
पहले बोल रहा
moment.
है.
Vasundhara, can you please mute
I'll
yourself?
I'm muted.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so this is something that's really personal. So, but I feel, and the whole thing that me chancing upon your Instagram thing about this death call today was again triggered by something similar, but not that drastic. Basically, what happened was I was in first standard or something, and I had made some spelling errors. I even know that I got walloped that day, beaten really with a belt. Dad was obviously, he had his own frustrations, so वो पूरा मेरे ऊपर निकला, and the word was because I misspelled because I got beaten for it, and that frustration at some point he was not able to take it that he's beating up his son who's so young. He kind of put the belt around his neck and tried to strangle himself, and I saw that, and that image kind of stuck with me as a child. Okay, I have caused him so much hurt that he wants to kill himself.
Oh, very important man you are, man.
No, I'm just saying at that age, obviously you don't have any.
Yeah, but you're
sense
here now.
to decode that, right?
Yeah.
Now we have access and all. It's fine. Now we know, but
now
there is that scar which is.
What will we have to do to fill that scar now?
That's my question.
Hello.
How do I? So it keeps getting triggered. Like Aj today also
choice, man.
Something happened.
Make a different choice. Can we right now? Can we make a different choice there? What if you right now reach there? Okay, wherever you just went, and tell us that little baby of yourself that hey, it wasn't that I created that hurt. It was his own point of view, his own reality, and the truth is he didn't die.
He didn't.
He didn't. He's alive, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you didn't make him die. It was just a drama. So can you stand behind that child right now and tell him that I'm here now, grown up, a big man, and I can take care of you. That was then, and what's right about it, and let's forget it, no? Make a choice. What are you getting going back into that drama? There's a value there that you're getting back from there.
To me, I feel that's like now that's the normal, like.
Yeah, so that's a normal because you love.
I keep unconsciously
maybe
looking for ways to get him to scold
Rahul,
me,
right?
or
Rohit, Rahul.
Rishi,
sorry. I did remember R. But Rishi, what if you make a choice? And you can just go to that little one and like how does a little one, guys, when we are in our childhood, we are so stuck in our childhood. We are here grown up, big adults with big bodies. We can actually go tell that baby. How does a baby wants to be heard by the parents, heard by somebody and get over that guilt. Like what Anjali was doing, I was just hearing her out and being with her. And what if you go and be with that baby and just tell him, hey, that was a story, it's over. Let's finish that story today. And it's, oh, my dad is alive, I'm here, I did not do anything. And when you understand everything and you got that, now fill that gap and fill it up with consciousness. Till the time it is filled. And today be with yourself and keep filling that space with consciousness. Okay? Keep flowing that child with consciousness and allow that child to go away now. Tell him that you are here. Whatever that child wants to do, hug you, cry, whatever, be with that child. However he wanted the mother or the father or anybody wanted to be with you, be with that child today. Hold his hand, get him here and let him go. I've done the process for you. Hope you receive it. And now you do it. Thank you. Anybody else?
Shivani saying you have done in Insta Live, you have done the exercise of
किसी को सुनना नहीं है. Teacher बार-बार बोलती रहेगी. Okay. अंजलि मुझे हंसना नहीं चाहिए ना, बहुत सीरियस लोग हैं ना, आसपास मार रहे हैं ना। Sorry, मैं हंस रही हूँ. You know, when my husband passed away, I was laughing then also. And my son saw the picture and he's like, Ma, when was this picture? I was like, when dad body was supposed to come home. And he said, you were laughing. I said, picture में तो हंसना पड़ेगा ना, मैं तो वैसे ही हंसती रहती हूँ. He laughed more. He said, nobody can stop you. I said, no. I said, he made a choice to go. I'm here and I was celebrating him going.
Aradhana, could you talk a little bit about grief?
Yeah, so you know,
the emotion of grief.
Yeah, so that, because we cannot get away from the fact that we are living in this reality, and we have created this whole reality is a lie. This whole reality is created with projections, expectations, and when our projection expectations are not met, we create separation judgments in our world and conclusions. So that is the drama is the creation of this reality. What do you say a film? When you go to see a film, it's a drama, right? We go watch a Hollywood or a Bollywood drama. Exactly, our life is a Hollywood and a Bollywood drama created. So that's full of masala, commercial movie or a art movie. So whatever is your life as an art movie or a commercial movie, you're living from that projection. To unravel and just get out of it. If you get out, if I always give this example, and these days I've been giving a lot in my classes, that if Amitabh Bachchan is an Amitabh Bachchan, and when he was acting in the Coolie movie, people who have not seen the Bollywood movie, it's called Coolie. So where Amitabh Bachchan is acting as Coolie. So what if he, in the movie as a Coolie, he starts saying, I'm Amitabh Bachchan? How will it be? He has to act like a Coolie, right? So when you are in it, you are grieving. And that is when the whole Gita or your Bible or everything says that detachment, where you're aware of it, that you're playing this role right now. So that is grieving. Your body likes to grieve because you are used to physical touch. You meet, the person is right next to you. Now it's energetically, if you are present of that detachment and you're present that you're Amitabh Bachchan, then from that infiniteness, you can bring into this world here and able to change it for you as magical. But what happens is the moment we are born, we tend to forget that we are Amitabh Bachchan. So we become the coolie here and then we're acting as coolies.
Got it. Thank you. Tamanna has a question. Tamanna, please go ahead.
Hi.
And this is going to be the last question, guys. Yes. Thank you.
So Priyanka has also raised the hand earlier. So after
Okay. All right.
Yeah, Tamanna, go ahead.
Okay, so the question I have is, so basically in the time that the coronavirus cases were going down, I went all out and got to travel a lot. And I didn't get corona and I was fine. And I think I was just lucky. And I was happy, like I was not. But I felt a little guilty for the fact that I could enjoy my life that much while other people suffered so much.
Tamanna, Anjali ka address le le, usi ke ghar mein jaake reh le. Go. Or just in Anjali's house. She'll take care.
And I just feel like I don't think I should feel guilty, right? If I enjoyed my life. It's
No,
okay.
no, you should. Tamanna, you should. यार पूरी रामायण खत्म हो गई है, पूछ लो राम कौन है?
No, but why is this guilt coming is my question.
Why?
Why am I feeling guilty for nothing? I didn't even fall sick. I was fine.
Anjali will explain you why. I cannot explain. This is, going round and round like a teddy bear. You don't want to get out of the circle? What do you mean why? Just because you can, you're aware of people? Because again, वही कूली का act है, कूली में रोना है, तुम side actress हो, तुम रो रही हो. See, that makes you laugh now.
My mom and I both down with corona currently, and we are both laughing and giggling through the thing, and everyone's judging us, and we're like, whatever, like,
shit, how can you laugh? Yeah.
No, but we're okay. Like, we're attending your call and enjoying it also.
But why? Tamanna? Why are you laughing and smiling? That is not allowed. Corona, you should be serious. Die.
But then you're also laughing.
Me too. I'm telling you, I'm an unstoppable girl.
Same.
So, but
you think I'm not?
But because I don't get guilty like you, darling.
Yeah, but then you're older now. You've gotten smarter. I'm also not older. I've become smarter.
I was always older from my childhood. Huh?
Okay, but then I'll get there.
When?
Today, now. This second.
Thank you. I love you. Yeah.
I just wanted to add, the moment you said that, ask this question, what vibration I can be to change this, and you added to that, say thank you to the ones who choose to go and thank you to the ones who wish to stay, and then make your choice. It became very easy for me at that point of time to let my fear go.
Shit, Anjali.
And we are at the end of the call now, Anjali.
End of it. She was so
I chose
head-on.
it.
End mein chhodungi. End mein chhodungi. How does it get any better? Who was the last one? And then I want to do a little exercise before we leave. Who wanted to ask a question?
I just wanted to add an experience to
Priyanka
this.
was there, no?
Yeah, I just want to add an experience to it. One of my friend called me, and we are of the same age, and she just told me that this person died, this person died, this person died. Now I am into Corona. So I asked her, so what they choose, are you choosing the same thing? And her word just blew away.
There you go.
She said, no.
See, there's a different possibility to change people, and thank you for that, Priyanka. And what else is possible? All right, so let's just do a quick little exercise and be in that energy. Right now, everybody, just put all your barriers down. Barriers is all your point of views, everything that you're thinking about what Corona is, all the deaths, all the beings all are around here. Who have first, let's just say goodbye to every being and every being who was present here and who has chosen to pass over, and you guys are aware of them. Would you acknowledge it and now stop healing them? Would you allow and ask all of them to leave now from this planet and acknowledge them? Just what all of them are just standing there for acknowledgement. Right now, all the beings, can we just acknowledge personally to them and allow them to all to go now? Truth, who are you? 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 Truth, who are you before that? 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 Truth, what was your job before that? Truth, what was your job before that? Truth, what was your job before that? Truth, who would you be in future? And truth, what would be your job in future? You can all carry on magnetic, chemical, biological imprinting and leave this planet now. Thank you for your contribution. Right and wrong, good and bad, what, call, nature, poison, beyonds. And everybody who's still choosing, what if right now we pull in consciousness from the planet, being in gratitude of the planet, connect yourself with the planet Earth and with any other planet which you totally resonate with and the infiniteness, and also connect with the consciousness right now and pull in consciousness into your bodies just by asking. You have to just say pull. That intention of pulling it from every conscious being, elementals, quantum entanglements, anything that you're known or unknown who's willing to gift today and who's just waiting for you to ask, just ask them. And now fill up your bodies, your beings with it, your houses, your spaces, your beings and families with it. And now flow this out to every single being who's struggling. And just fill up their worlds with choice, with consciousness, with joy. Just asking, just saying this will fill up. Keep pulling in, keep flowing. Make it like a rush, like a dam opening up, and just keep pulling that avalanche, pulling tsunamis, whatever it takes to pull up that energy from everywhere, from the consciousness, and just flowing it to them. And fill up the whole of the India, for all of the world, all of the spaces and places where everybody's struggling with this right now. Change the molecules in everybody of your worlds, whatever that molecule that you know and you are aware of. Just shift that molecule right now. Go to that molecule, and everywhere you have created Corona, and you were the perpetrators of it in any other lifetimes or any other spaces, would you now choose to change it and say thank you to Corona and change that one molecule, turn it to 180 degree? Just go. Energetically, you'll reach there. Knowing it or not knowing it, don't get it to I don't know how to do it, you know it. Just keep going. Turn that molecule right now to 180 degree, and more, and more, and more, and more. Keep turning it till you feel the lightness in your bodies. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. And let's frag this insanity of the medical sciences, of the Corona at the count of 3 altogether. At 1, 2, 3. Frack, 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 frack the insanity of this corona. And let's change the tracks today at the count of 13 altogether. Wonder what that changes in the whole planet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, Godzillion times 13. And everything that doesn't allow us to perceive, receive, know, be this change, can we destroy and get all right and all good and bad, pot, poker, and nature by simply answer. And thank you so much again. Thank you for this topic, Shivangi. Thank you for being the courageous one. You truly be, darling, all the time. And no one else is possible. And everybody who here is courageous. And thank you for showing up. Please, please be that messenger of joy, consciousness. Change molecules, guys. Walking, talking maestros, you truly be. Change everything. You can change it. Don't give me this shit that you can't change it. You have to be. If you can't just pull in energy from Dane, Gary, me, consciousness, earth, whosoever you think knows it, just pull it. We'll be there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for showing up, everyone.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aradhana.
Thank you.